He was a Franciscan priest who gave his life so that a father wouldn't have to starve in Auschwitz. And a new film out today tells the heroic story of St. Maximilian Kolbe. EWTN's Francesca Fenton was at the premiere of Triumph of the Heart.
He knows the rules. I will choose 10 of you to starve until the missing prisoner is found or until death. This is fun.
I got children now!
I can take his place.
A new film depicting the last days of St. Maximilian Kolbe will be hitting theaters on September 12th. Over 1,000 people gathered for the premiere of Triumph of the Heart, which focuses on Kolbe's time spent in the starvation bunker in Auschwitz.
It's very surreal. I think that what I'm seeing is that God keeps on growing our vision for where he wants to take the film, where he wants to take the story. Our original plan for this event was that it would be this 200 people together in a little theater, and God, of course, had other plans.
Many in attendance highlighted the current resurgence of faith-based media being seen with shows and movies such as The Chosen and House of David, among others.
I think Christ is pouring his heart out to all of us, in every way possible, and media is kind of one of those frontiers that hasn't really been touched yet.
I think the world's pretty sick of all the fake stuff. That we're being told how to think, and we're being told to compare ourselves to things that aren't even important. The materialism has swung so far that the pendulum's making its way back. I think there's going to be this resurgence, and we see this all the time, of young people, Gen Xers, old people coming back and saying, wait, we want what's real, what's true, what's good, and what's beautiful.
St. Augustine said it well, our hearts are restless till we rest in him. There's an emptiness when you have a certain amount of success and you have leisure. Nothing satisfies but God.
Those involved in the film hope viewers will leave the theater inspired and filled with hope.
Entering into this movie, you could quite easily walk in thinking it's going to be a pretty dark and heavy ride. But what I want them to walk out with is a sense of joy and catharsis, and a sense that no matter how dark times can get and how low one can feel, there's always a way out. There's always a crack of light somewhere that you can cling on to and follow through.
I really want people to feel love when they watch this movie, and specifically to feel the love of our Lord and how he enters into our suffering with us, just like Kolbe did for those men in that film. Our movie, Kolbe's story, it's a modern day example that ultimately points us to Christ.
Francesca Fenton, EWTN News Nightly.